Okay, so we're going to play another round of domination on Insurgency Sandstorm.
Let's move!
Control to slide. Oh my god. Wow. Good shot. No idea where you were.
Oh, did they just take Charlie?
Let's go and get B.
Alpha's clear, we got it.
Hey, we are on Bravo. Taking Bravo.
Any footsteps? Oh, teammate. Oh. Oh, wow. What? I don't... So he's the other side of that tin sheet. Right, okay. This seems like the perfect sniping map. Wow. There's that M1 Grand guy again. And then it got killed by someone else. Wow, okay. Oh. Okay, so that was a teammate shooting. This guy in there. See if I can go around and get him. Which building did he go into? That guy? Got him. Oh, wow. I can't see anyone. Even though when you die, it kind of shows you the direction you got killed from, but I couldn't see anyone.
Alpha's clear, we got it.
Literally anybody could be in any of these little buildings. I feel like camping is the... Okay. Why that didn't kill him, I do not know. Okay, it's unfortunate that he spawned in front of me. Wow, I wasted a lot of bullets there.
Reloading! Reloading!
Where? Oh. I was waiting for him to keep still, and I was just gonna pop him in the head with one bullet, but he moved last minute. Right, I got him, because you can tell by the way he's crying. Is that someone there? No. Ooh. I injured him. Oh my. Oh, I panicked a bit. What have we got? 6 kills, 7 deaths. We can do better than that. Oh, wow. You're dead. I don't like how open that is. Is there someone else on the left here? On the corner? Is he above me? Sounds like he's above me. Okay. What? Is that someone? Oh, there. This piece of tin here. Someone's gonna come around the corner now. In my building. Oh! Sorry, teammate. I panicked. Oh, I've got no bullets.
Loading! Enemy Charlie! Taking Bravo!
Wow. That was not great. I've not got enough bullets. I'm impressed with how long I lasted there, though. Oh, not quick enough. This game is insane. You've really got to put some time into it to get good. Wow, okay. Where am I going? This way. What have we got? 12 to 10. It's positive. I'm happy about that. Someone is definitely just camping in a building.
Man down!
Ooh. Wow. Some people are so accurate. Let's do class, marksman, primary. Don't even know what's a good gun. EBR. 4 times optic. Suppressor. You want bipod. Don't want a laser sight. Ooh. Fancy. That'll do. Why won't it let me? Right. I can do full auto on this.
Enemy took Charlie! Okay, we're taking Charlie now! Okay, look Bravo! The enemy just took Alpha!
Oh, my aiming is awful. Right, this guy. Where is he coming up? I'm just in the middle of nowhere here. Whoa, nice, 1-shot kill. Let's see if I can just get up, hug this wall a bit. Someone's the other side of. Oh.
Hey, I'm on Alpha!
Oh, did he see me? Oh wow, the sensitivity for the pistols is really slow.
Okay, we're taking Charlie now!
Wow, okay, I got him. I didn't know how much I had to lead the target there, because he was running quite quick. Ooh. Wow. That was scary. What am I on? 17 to 14.
Enemy taking Bravo!
Because of this 4 times scope, I don't really want to get too
Securing Charlie!
close quarters. Oh, I'm getting shot at. Run away, run away. Was that him? Wow, yeah, it was. He just gave up on me. Is this a good spot? Oh. I ate my words there.
Alright, Charlie taken! Mahlakum! We're losing Alpha! Damn it!
This game is good. It's fun,
Lost Bravo!
but
They took it!
it's difficult.
Enemy
Which
is on Alpha!
I quite like about it.
Hey, they're taking Alpha!
I need somebody to come upstairs in A. Should be able to pick him off. Ooh. Hello. Hello? Hello? Oh my gosh. What was I aiming at? Wow. Wow. That was... I was so confused at him... Oh wow. Quick scope. I was so confused at him shooting me. Then saw him get shot and I thought, oh hang on. I haven't tried a grenade yet. No, that's not a grenade. 3.
Hey, I'm throwing damage.
Perfect.
They captured Bravo.
I got a kill with that. I saw it go to 22 kills. Where is he? Go away. Oh. The round's about to end. Who's winning? I don't know. Well, it's close. They are by 3 points. But they've got... Oh, we've got 2 objectives now. This guy down here.
They're taking Alpha!
No! 2 points in it. Good game, though. Good game.